NinjaTrader versus MotiveWave. Which trading platform is better? Choosing the right platform can transform how you analyze markets and execute trades without unnecessary complexity. NinjaTrader offers powerful futures and forex tools, while MotiveWave excels in advanced charting and strategy design. NinjaTrader and MotiveWave are both professional trading platforms but serve slightly different needs. NinjaTrader focuses on high-speed trade execution and futures trading, while MotiveWave emphasizes comprehensive charting and multi-asset strategy development. The core difference lies in execution speed versus analytical depth. NinjaTrader is a leading trading platform designed primarily for futures, forex, and stock traders seeking fast, reliable order execution. It provides a customizable interface with advanced charting, automated trading capabilities, and extensive market data integration. NinjaTrader's strength lies in its low latency order routing and a wide range of supported brokers, making it ideal for active traders and day traders who prioritize speed and execution efficiency. The platform supports algorithmic trading through NinjaScript, allowing users to develop and backtest custom strategies. However, its learning curve can be steep for beginners, and some advanced features require paid licenses. Additionally, while NinjaTrader offers solid charting tools, its analytical capabilities are more functional than visually sophisticated. Overall, NinjaTrader suits traders focused on fast execution, futures markets, and those who want to automate strategies with minimal delay. MotiveWave is a comprehensive trading platform known for its advanced charting, multi-asset support, and robust strategy design tools. It excels in providing traders with detailed technical analysis options, including Elliott Wave, Fibonacci, and Gann studies, making it a favorite among technical analysts and swing traders. MotiveWave supports stocks, futures, options, forex, and cryptocurrencies, offering a unified interface for diverse markets. Its drag-and-drop strategy builder and extensive backtesting environment allow traders to design, optimize, and simulate complex trading strategies without coding. While MotiveWave's analytical depth is impressive, its order execution speed is generally slower compared to NinjaTrader, which may impact high-frequency traders. The platform requires a subscription or license purchase, which can be a barrier for casual traders. MotiveWave is ideal for traders who prioritize in-depth market analysis and strategy development over rapid trade execution, especially those focused on technical patterns and multi-market trading. Comparing NinjaTrader and MotiveWave highlights a trade-off between execution speed and analytical power. NinjaTrader offers superior order execution with low latency, making it suitable for active day traders and futures specialists who need fast, reliable trades. MotiveWave, on the other hand, provides unmatched charting sophistication and multi-asset strategy design, ideal for technical analysts and swing traders who value detailed market insights. For example, a futures day trader would benefit from NinjaTrader's quick order routing and automation features, while a swing trader analyzing multiple markets might prefer MotiveWave's extensive technical studies and backtesting tools. Both platforms require investment, but NinjaTrader's pricing is more favorable for high-frequency users, whereas MotiveWave's cost reflects its advanced analytical capabilities. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize speed and execution or depth and flexibility in analysis. Choose NinjaTrader if your focus is on fast trade execution, futures trading, and automated strategies that demand low latency and broker flexibility. Opt for MotiveWave if you need advanced charting, multi-asset support, and powerful strategy design tools for in-depth technical analysis. Both platforms excel in their areas, so match your choice to your trading style for the best results.